Welcome back to Day 1 French, episode 6 of 20. I'm Louis, and this is week 2, the news world.
And I'm Claire. This week, one news domain a day, and we start with the biggest of them all, politics.
Today's sentence is the sentence of every election season. Claire, real news speed.
L'élection est dimanche et les sondages sont très serrés. Here it is, one more time, slowly. L'élection est dimanche et les sondages sont très serrés.
The headline word first, the election.
L'élection,
Your turn, repeat after Claire.
l'élection.
And be honest, you knew that word before we started. English borrowed enormous amounts of its politics from French, so this whole week is full of words you get for the price of an accent.
Notice the smash from episode 3 too. The noun starts with a vowel, so the article glues straight onto it. Now, the family. French words come in families. Learn one root, and the whole family follows. The election gives you to vote, and the voter. Listen. L'élection. Voter. L'électeur. One root, 3 words, and if the voter is a woman, l'électrice.
Now say the verb to vote. Claire.
Voter.
Out loud.
Voter. And it's a regular verb in ER. Friday's machine runs it perfectly. Listen, I vote, you vote, they vote. Je vote, tu votes, il vote. 3 spellings, 1 sound. The full table is on today's sheet.
So, when is the election? Sunday. And here comes today's quirk. Claire, the whole first half, and listen hard for the word on.
L'élection est dimanche.
Your turn, repeat after her.
L'élection est dimanche. Did you hear a word for on? No, because there isn't one. English says the election is on Sunday. French just points at the day. The election is Sunday. No packaging. Name the day and walk away.
The summit is Monday. The match is Saturday. The strike is, well, whenever it likes. Same trick every time. The whole week of days gets its own episode next week. Today, you only need Sunday. Claire.
Dimanche.
Out loud.
Dimanche.
And here's the lovely fact hiding inside today's sentence. In France, national elections are always on a Sunday by law, so the whole country can get to the polling station. Democracy, then lunch.
In that order of importance, obviously.
Now the drama. The polls. Claire, one poll, then many. And remember, Friday. The article does the work.
Le sondage. Les sondages. Les sondages.
Your turn, the plural, the polls.
Les sondages. And they are very tight, squeezed together, like passengers on the metro at 8 in the morning. Here's the chunk. Les sondages sont très serrés.
That little word in the middle, the one that means very, is the volume knob. Take any adjective you own and turn it up. Very tight, very full, very new. Your turn, the whole second half out loud.
Les sondages sont très serrés. One more word before the payoff, Louis, because no politics story survives without it. The party. Le parti.
Out loud.
Le parti.
From the top. Claire, slowly.
L'élection est dimanche et les sondages sont très serrés.
The election is on Sunday and the polls are very close. Real speed.
L'élection est dimanche et les sondages sont très serrés. Your turn, the whole thing, out loud. Repeat after me. L'élection est dimanche et les sondages sont très serrés. Très bien.
Day 6, the election word family, the day that needs no packaging, and the polls. The lesson sheet at linguawire.com/day1 carries the full politics kit, the party, the parliament, the candidate, the 2 rounds, 25 words, plus the table of your new verb.
And the 10-minute homework locks them in. Election vocabulary is the gift that keeps on giving. There is always an election somewhere. Demain, il fait 40 degrés.
Tomorrow, 40 degrees. The weather, where French sentences are built by a mysterious little it with a very strange hobby. See you then.
À demain,